What's up guys, today we're going to go over how to use booking links and keep the fees. Let's get into it. Booking links can be used if maybe you were going back and forth with a client on Instagram, through text, or even over the phone. They're a good way to kind of let a client book a time themselves if you want to do that. And again, this kind of circumvents doing a consultation, so be cautious in using booking links. It's still a very good and valuable tool. I would only use booking links if the client understands what they are booking ahead of time. So maybe you go back and forth with the client and you send them a very specific booking link. And we're going to go into how to do that right now. So you're going to go to appointments and then calendar. And once you're here, you can hit copy link. Now keep in mind, you can hit schedule if you want to schedule the time slot and everything yourself, and then send a invoice for the deposit through schedule. Again, schedule is different than the booking link. If you are doing the consultation and you're booking right here from the software, you can go ahead and hit schedule and then run through all this like normal. But if you like the client to kind of find the time themselves, you can hit copy link. From here, you get to create your link. So you're gonna build out your link. You have select artist here and select service. We're going to hit select artist, and here you're going to select the artist that this booking link is for. So for this example, we're going to use Anthony. Then we have service, and here all of Anthony's or that artist's services are going to be listed here. So you go ahead and pick which service you'd like to make the link for. And from here, we'll hit generate link. And then here you have your link that you can send out to people, and you can also have this QR code as well. This link does not expire, so when a client has this link, they can essentially book from this link whenever they'd like. And now I'm gonna hit the link to show you what that looks like. So here, this is what the client will see. They'll fill out their contact information. You have the appointment details right here, where it'll have the name and what's being done. And again, we cannot change those. And these can't be changed because of how we built it in the appointment, in the booking link builder. And when you scroll down, here will be that artist calendar, and they can pick whatever time is available. So always ensure you have your artist schedules in place and in order to ensure that clients can only book the times that you are available. From here, they can put in any appointment notes and add some reference photos and submit it. Keep in mind, depending on how you set up your service, this appointment either can be auto approved or you have to manually go in and approve it. If you are going to be doing this, I recommend having it not be auto approved, so that way you can check the appointment and ensure that is something, one, that you want to do and that you can do. So I'll go ahead and fill this out real quick. All right, submit the form, and you can see here that it was successful. So now we're going to go back to the calendar. So now that we're back at the calendar, you can see the test one I just did is right here, and it says no deposit. A deposit was not required for the service, so depending on how you set it up in the artist profiles will determine whether or not deposit was needed. If there is a deposit needed, from this screen right here, it will lead them to a place where they can pay that deposit. And if they did pay the deposit, then it will say deposit paid. So when we click into it, you can see all the information that was filled out. If there were any reference images uploaded, they would go here. If there is a request form, you can always link it here as well. And if you go to the status on the appointment right here, it says pending approval. When pending approval, you can click here. And if it is a tattoo, everything looks good, deposits paid, all that good stuff, you can hit approved right here and then hit saved. And from there, it's now approved, and it'll go ahead and alert the artist and alert the client as well. Also on the calendar, keep in mind that you can filter by status of the appointments. So any pending appointments that you want to look through, you can click here and all your pending appointments will show up. Same for accepted, anything on the waiting list, paid deposits, canceled, and no-shows. And that's how you use booking links and keep the fees. If you have any questions at all, be sure to hit our support chat or email us at support@keepthefees.com.